everyone, today I will demonstrate a faulty wall outlet problem, especially when the circuit breaker is tripped or the fuse is blown. This problem can cause a device or computer to have no power at all, even when if it's plugged in.
First, observe the situation. The device does not turn on. There is no lights, no sound, and no fan running. This tells us that electricity may not be reaching the outlet. Next, unplug the device. Plug in another working device, such as phone charger, into the same outlet. If the second device also does not work, this confirms that the wall outlet is faulty. Now, go to the circuit breaker panel or fuse box. Look for a trip breaker or a blown fuse. A trip breaker is usually in the middle position, while the blown fuse may look burned or broke. This happens due to overheating. If the breaker is tripped, reset it by switching it fully off, then back on. So the solution of this problem is using a different wall socket.